Today we have something exciting to share with you, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. This mechanical gaming keyboard is designed to take your gaming experience to the next level. Let's start with the unboxing. As we open the package, we are greeted with the stunning Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. The keyboard comes in a sleek black design with programmable RGB lighting that adds a touch of style to any gaming setup. The keys are also fully customizable, allowing you to personalize your gaming experience. Moving on to the review. The BlackWidow V4 Pro features Razer's own green mechanical switches, providing tactile feedback and a satisfying click with every keystroke. These switches are renowned for their durability, lasting up to 80 million keystrokes, ensuring this keyboard will serve you well for years to come. What sets the BlackWidow V4 Pro apart from its predecessors is the addition of wireless connectivity. With a stable 2.4 GHz wireless connection, you can enjoy a lag-free gaming experience up to 10 meters away from your computer. And don't worry, the keyboard also comes with a detachable USB-C cable for wired usage. In terms of functionality, this keyboard has it all. It features a fully programmable macro system, allowing you to assign complex commands to a single key. The included wrist rest provides ergonomic support, ensuring comfort during those long gaming sessions. And with its N-key rollover and anti-ghosting technology, you never have to worry about missed keystrokes again. Now, let's talk about the Razer Synapse Software. This powerful tool allows you to sync your keyboard's lighting effects with other Razer peripherals, creating a captivating gaming environment. It also gives you access to a wide range of customized profiles and advanced settings, allowing you to fine-tune your gaming experience to perfection.